without further ado, my name is Zach, and I'm representing with two of my awesome coworkers, Samantha and Wendy, the Math and Science Tutorial Program here at OASIS. So for those of y'all who don't know, OASIS or MSTP is your kind of one-stop shop for lower division math, physics, OChem, and Gen Chem tutoring, right? And we've all been there before, right? Struggling through these OChem mechanisms, all of the things you have to remember for biology or physics, right? And our goal as MSCP is to provide you the space and the workshops twice a week to holistically and through a community building perspective to get you through your coursework, right? Whether that's helping you with study plans or helping you with study groups or finding ways that you best learn the material. In addition to that, if you're interested in the way that we handle workshops or we do workshops, you can also apply to be a facilitator for any of the workshops that we hold. We're currently in the works of making training a little bit more financially equitable, but we are going to have summer training, which your deadline to apply would be in the spring next quarter by week 8. So you have plenty of time. If you are interested, you can contact OASIS or MSTP's email. Andre will put all of that stuff in the email that he sends out. But just in case you don't know where it is, though, oasis.mstp@gmail.com. All your questions and everything that you may worry about, just send it to there. And yes, so as I mentioned earlier as well, I'm here with two awesome facilitators that can give you a little bit more of their 2 cents of what it's been for them to be a facilitator and what it brings to the table. So yeah, I'll hand it off to them.
Hi, I'm Sam. So I did want to touch on a little bit of what Zach was talking about redoing the whole practicum process for MSTP. So currently student staff is working on making practicum paid over the summer, and we are working on changing the whole process. So as of right now, it's probably going to be a 2-day intensive training, and then a form of shadowing, which would be you as a member of practicum would observe an experienced facilitator, and you would slowly take over the workshop so that you can have that experience of watching someone work and then adapting to your own style. And I think this is a really beneficial experience. I really liked my time in practicum. I think it really gave me the opportunity to find what my own style was and really observe how students are reacting to what I bring to the table. And it was just a very good learning opportunity. And I think I'll hand it over to Wendy to talk more about being a facilitator. So yeah.
Hi, my name is Wendy, and I'm a workshop facilitator for OASIS MSTP. And before I go into my personal experience, I can just give a really quick logistics rundown, the workload and everything. So facilitators hold workshops twice a week for about 2 hours per workshop. And we also get prep time to prepare for the sessions as well. And while we do those, we come up with fun activities and practice problems and stuff that will help the students that we help tutor and the students that we facilitate workshops for. And when it comes to becoming a facilitator, it's a very rewarding experience because you get to build an amazing relationship with your students. You get to learn a bunch of things, even though you're the one that's teaching per se, on a subject. You also learn a lot from your students. So one of the main takeaways that I have had from being an OASIS MST facilitator are learning different skills, trying to understand different types of learners. So differentiating between visual and auditory learners and how to better prepare a session so like it would benefit them as well as yourselves. And then also like time management as well, because facilitators are students as well, so we have to try to balance our classes as well as the classes that we are facilitating. So that's an amazing skill to have. Also collaboration skills, like you get to work with other facilitators within the same subjects, you get to like correlate your activities and basically bounce ideas off of each other. And yeah, it's just an amazing experience. And people who work with OASIS MSTP, along with like the coordinators, everybody's such a tight knit group and everybody's always available to help each other out. And it's just an amazing experience if you're interested and passionate with like helping other students through like science courses. It's a highly recommended thing to apply for. So yeah, thank you.